to enjoy this idea.
All right, thank you, John. Yes, Carol is making a really good egg casserole for us. We usually have an egg casserole every Christmas morning. May have to try this one.
Yeah, this one is really good. In fact, my daughter sent it to me. I said, I need an egg casserole. So she sent me one that she got. So you start out with hash browns.
On the bottom, you layer it.
On the bottom, you layer with hash browns. Then we'll go with, this is pepper jack cheese, but actually you can use any kind of cheese. But pepper jack, you can't go wrong with pepper jack.
Ooh, fun.
And then sausage. I have some brown sauce, pork sausage, but there again, if you want to use bacon or ham, if you have leftover ham, that would work too.
I have a lot of pork sausage in my freezer, so I'll be using that.
Yes,
okay.
Yes, exactly.
Great.
Okay, and then red bell peppers. I just love red bell peppers. They're always so pretty. I don't know if they taste any different or not. I think that's kind of in my brain also on whether they taste different. And then some green onions, sliced green onions, or just regular onions, because I know I was looking for green onions and they were kind of pricey. Then we go with salt and pepper. Okay. And we'll whip our eggs a little bit, and we'll put some, I used half and half. And you can use evaporated milk, but I don't know, I love half and half I use it in my coffee. I use it in a lot of things.
You always have it on hand.
I always have it on hand. And then we'll just whip it and pour it over. Then you put it in, you can either bake it covered or uncovered. I kind of prefer to bake things covered for about an hour in the oven at 350. And it's really easy. It'll keep overnight in the refrigerator if you make it ahead of time, no matter when, I guess earlier in the day, and then keep it, and then throw it in the oven, get up early, throw it in the oven, go back to bed, and then get up and eat your egg casserole.
Oh, I like that, John. We're going to have to do that. Okay, I'm going to give it a try here. This is really good.
Yeah, that pepper jack cheese, like I said, you can't go wrong with pepper jack.
No, it looks great, it tastes great, and we do have the recipe already posted for you on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. So there you go, John. This is going to be the next thing we're going to try making. Back to you.